Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the Englishman's loop. The video you're watching is a very small excerpt from the curriculum at Knotskool. I hope you enjoy it. The Englishman's loop is categorized as a loop knot, and its purpose is to create a fixed, non-slip loop at the end of a rope. It's also known by several other names, including the Fisherman's knot and True Lover's knot. To tie the Englishman's loop, begin by making a bight in your working line. Cross the working end over the standing part and then pass a bight through the loop you've created and cinch up the knot. At this stage, we have a simple slip knot, and because of this, we can adjust the size of our loop. From there, wrap your working end around the standing part one more time and tie a half hitch with the tail end pointing down away from your loop as shown here. You can now adjust the placement of your half hitch by sliding it towards your loop. When dressed, your two knots should nest together and your loop knot will be backed up. This knot has a variety of primary applications. In angling and fishing, it's used to attach fishing lines to lures and to create leader loops. For outdoor recreation, it's useful for securing tent guy lines, creating attachment points for cordage, and for general utility in camping and backpacking. Domestically and in horticulture, it serves as a general purpose utility knot when a reliable fixed loop is needed. The performance of the Englishman's loop varies significantly depending on the rope material. When used with natural fibers like hemp, manila, or cotton, it performs reliably due to the inherent friction and grip of these materials. However, with synthetic fibers such as nylon, polypropylene, Dyneema, or Spectra, it shows an increased tendency to slip, especially under cyclic or shock loading. In addition, the Englishman's loop can jam significantly under high loads, making it difficult to untie. You can find the Englishman's loop in the Ashley Book of Knots as knot number 1143 on page 209.